Hi, listeners. Welcome to a brand new podcast episode. I am Alice, your host for today's podcast episode. Are you looking to ensure the peak performance and longevity of your boiler? Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd to get dedicated annual boiler servicing and maintenance in Australia. Their annual boiler servicing is designed to detect potential issues, improve efficiency, and extend the lifespan of your boiler. Also, their highly skilled technicians clean and correct all components to increase your boiler performance and efficiency. They conduct a comprehensive range of maintenance tasks including cleaning, inspecting, and optimizing your boiler system. For more knowledge, contact them at 1300771759 or visit o'brienenergy.com.au. Thank you for joining. I will be back soon with another podcast episode. So, stay tuned.